Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix no sound from speaker error in Samsung Galaxy A25. If you're using Galaxy A25 and you're facing the issue that from your speakers you haven't any sound, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to check your volume and mode settings. You just have to go to your settings here, and in your settings, just go to sounds and vibrations, go to volume, and you have to make sure that you have almost maximized all your volumes from here, because sometimes it might be that your volumes are muted, so you're unable to get volume from your speaker. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so just scroll in the control center. I recommend you how to completely disable your Bluetooth, because sometimes it might be that your Bluetooth device is connected to another device like your earbuds or your any Bluetooth speaker. So you can try to disable your Bluetooth to prevent this issue. And the third thing, you can try to clean and dry your speakers, because sometimes it might be that in your speakers you have some dust or any dirt like water or any liquid here. So you can try to completely clean it. And once you've cleaned your speakers, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not a fixed issue, so you can try to check your hardware. You can try to test your hardware how to make sure that your speakers are not physically damaged. Or you can also go ahead to your settings app here, and in settings just go to main settings, go to device here. Here you may see the option of diagnostics. Click on it, and in diagnostics you have to select phone diagnostics here. And in phone diagnostics you might get speaker here. Just click on speaker and just try to click on play. It will play a sound, so it will check. You have to make sure that you might hear sound. So if you're unable to hear sounds, it might be that your speaker are physically damaged. You can try to repair your speakers, or you can also try to r- change your speakers with an original Samsung speakers. But before you do that, I recommend you one more step, which is to check for software updates, because sometimes it might be that your phone is or your phone have any pending software update, or it's on installing any updates. So sometimes it might be that your speaker drivers or your speakers are not working due to any pending software updates. You can simply go ahead to your settings app here, and in settings go to software update. Make sure you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi, cellular data. Click on check for updates. Make sure you might have an pending software update here. If you you can try to download and install it on your phone, or if you have already downloading or installing any update, just wait for it until it's complete. And once you download or once your software update has been completed, you just have to scroll on your control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and just click on this restart button again to have a restart with your phone. Once you have restarted, your issue might have been fixed. After restart, you have to check, or if you're still getting the same issue, so you might have to change or repair your speakers. But it is that your issue will be fixed in this step. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.